Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for stopping by. Behind me is the Datsun 240Z. We paid $300 for this thing from my wife on Facebook Marketplace. Now we gotta build it. It's rusted out, needs a lot of work. If you hadn't seen the first or the second video, make sure you go back and check those out. But today we're gonna pick up where we left off in the last video, getting back to work on the floor pans. We cut out the panels, put a little bit of square tubing in there, did some bead rolling, and now we got to finish the last piece and then get them welded in the car, and then we'll keep it on. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate the new subscribers. Let's do it. One of the things I learned off the last piece was that I needed to give it a little bit of a pre-stretch so that it wouldn't get that, I'm not sure what the word, it wouldn't get cattywampus, because a lot of times when you put bead in it, it's, you know, twisting the metal one way or the other. So we're going to try to put a little pre-bend in it, and maybe it won't be as bad on the next piece. Let's check it out. So we have a little bit of shape in there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let's see how that turns out. So I don't know if you can tell or not, but that, in my opinion, turned out a whole lot better than the other piece. Yeah. Now we're going to change our pattern here in the die to do the 3 lines. This bead roller, Woodward Fab Super Bead. The stand I made myself, and shout out RD Speed or either Fab Shop. I'm not sure. I'll try to put it on the screen. I followed his design and basically ordered some Amazon parts, Amazon foot pedal, a power inverter, and a speed controller. So I have forward and reverse. I can adjust the speed, got a foot pedal, did that, and built the stand myself. So yeah, pretty cool. You can definitely see this panel lays a whole lot more flat than this panel. And if you caught it in the video, ran this through the English wheel, put a little bit of pre-stretch on it. This one I didn't do that with. So it really don't matter because I can hold it down, weld my way around it, get it flat, put it on the time lapse. Let's get these suckers welded in. We've cut out some more rust, grinded, got down to some bare metal. Now we're gonna make some measurements for our square tubing and get those cut out, and we'll keep plugging along. Right now is a good time for a yoo-hoo.
Toma.
Time to get back at it. Hey! Alright, pieces are cut. Got her sanded down. Let's get the welder ready and start tacking some pieces in. So where we're at now, we have the back and the side tacked in place there on the side here. We need to work on getting our structure tied in here We cut out the rust. That side was a little bit more uniform. This side, it was rusted, you know, on up. So we're gonna have to find a general spot to whack it off. And if you can see, this tunnel, it has a shape. This right here would have been straight, and then you can see the tunnel widens out. And I'm going to show what we can do to try to get that contour, and then we can bend our square tubing so that it closer matches that. Yeah, we've already got the car leveled front to back, side to side, so we can go off the driver's side as a reference. We've already got the height that the floor would be off of the ground, and since the car is equal front and back, side to side, the height up off the concrete, we can use that side as a reference now. We've made some marks. We'll go ahead and cut that so we have a little bit straighter cut, and then I'll show you how we're going to go about trying to match the contour of the trans tunnel in our square tubing. What I'm hoping will work is I can use this magic marker and write it against the wall and get the layout of it. I'm gonna use so obviously we could use side grinder and cut little tiny relief cuts, bend it to the angle that we want, go back and weld those, grind those down. It would work just fine. I'm wanting to try something different. Try something different. Don't be afraid to fail. If this method don't work, I can go to the method that I know works, which is the other one. We're going to see if we can heat this up and bend it. Let's go ahead and get us some measurements, and we'll go ahead and cut out 2 braces. I'm in a fab mood today. Let's cue the music. Let's get to rocking, son. We got the pieces cut out. Let's test fit them in the car. So we need to trim just a little bit right here. I like it. Whole lot better. The first time I did this Z piece, It had a lot of bend to it. This one ended up a whole lot more flat. Much better. Let's go weld them in the car. Quick side note, guys, take y'all out here and show you my 66 F100. Now the motor you see on the ground is the straight 6 300 that me and my wife pulled out of the Ford. It was locked up. But we've already put the other motor, we bought another motor. We've already put it back in the truck. Just gotta fit the drive shaft up to it. We gotta fix the brakes. Got some rust repair to do on it. So if it's something you guys would like to see more of on the channel, drop down in the comments. Check out the seat, the Ford. Seat's trashed. I mean, the inside's in good shape. Those are solid. Got a little bit of rust right there. So yeah, if this is something y'all'd like to see on the channel more of, I have 1 or 2 videos already of it. You can go back and check them out. Let's get back to the Datsun. All right, guys, there you see it. Appreciate you guys watching this video. We got the floor pans welded in, at least the major parts of the sections. Front sections we left out so that we can tie the frame rail in and have access to repair it. But thank you guys for watching. Appreciate any support that you guys give. It really helps out the channel, means more than you know. But that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video where we start tackling patching some of these spots and a few more on this other side. We got to patch that section. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.